guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another FabFitFun unboxing. So this is this season's box. Look at the inside of the packaging. I love it. I wish I could frame their boxes. They're always so beautiful. So before I get into the products in the box, I wanted to mention my lip color because I always get questions on what I'm wearing on my lips, what I'm wearing on my nails, and what foundation shade I'm wearing. Although most of the time, guys, it's in the video or it's down in the info box. I am wearing Kat Von D's Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Malice. It's this really beautiful, gorgeous, deep orange red color. It's so pigmented. These are one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas to wear. Super comfortable. It doesn't dry out my lips and it doesn't flake off, so I love this color. Everything else you will see in a upcoming video or video that's already up. It's like my current go-to glam look, so you guys will see all that in action. So I'm just gonna grab things randomly in the box in no particular order. This is the Intelligent Nutrients Plant Stem Cell Science Refining Micro Polish, and this claims to smooth and exfoliate. Superfine treatment gently sweeps away dull surface cells and purifies pores for all skin type. And this is organic, I believe. Yep, it's organic, cruelty-free, and 100% certified wind energy. Just in the summer when you're sweating, you have a ton of sunscreen on, you're at the beach, and you know, your skin just feels a little bit more dull, a little bit more clogged. So I love like cleansers like this. I don't know, this smells kind of weird, but we'll use it, we'll try it out. I'll let you guys know how I like this, or if I don't in like future videos if it makes a difference in my skin. So this micro polish is $57. I think these boxes are like $40, $45, maybe even $50. I can't remember what I paid for it, but I mean, come on, the first product we pulled out is worth more than the box alone. So basically everything else is like a free goodie. I love FabFitFun. You discover so many new amazing brands that you would never have heard of or discovered, and it comes at such a great price. So that was $57. That's pretty darn impressive. The next product we have is from Wish, and this is an exfoliating foot mask. I think that's really funny they threw this in here. You don't get foot masks a lot in any subscription boxes. It's not the most glamorous product to receive, but this is pretty exciting because your feet will eventually get dry and crusty because you're wearing flip-flops more often. It's not glamorous, it's not pretty, but it happens, people. And this retails for $32. It has natural ingredients like willow bark extract and pumpkin seed to exfoliate and polish for your softest feet ever. That's pretty cool. I'll actually be trying that out. I feel like we're getting a lot of skincare products already. This is the Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. This is packed with Davidson Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. That's actually pretty cool. I've never used a purple mask before. I feel like ever since I've gotten my hair lightened to like this blondish color, everything in my shower is purple. Purple shampoo, purple conditioner, purple everything. So why not have a purple face mask in there too? That's actually pretty cool. I've never tried a purple mask before, and purple is obviously always a color that you think of when you want to brighten anything. So when you have blonde hair and you want to brighten it and take the brassiness away, purple shampoo conditioner. If you want a concealer to brighten up dull skin, purple concealer. So purple makes a lot of sense for a brightening mask. So as weird and as unique as it sounds, it makes sense. Okay, next up is a Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. This is so funny. I just filmed my current favorites video and I mentioned how obsessed I am lately with a rose facial spray. Oh, it's so pretty. It's paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and sulfate-free. So although it's not organic, it's not that bad. I feel like it's not too terrible to put on your skin. I don't see any alcohol in the ingredient list. It does smell like roses, so if you don't like that scent, I would kind of skip on this, but it smells really like fresh and rosy. I think I'm just gonna put this whole bottle in the fridge and just spritz it on my face throughout the summer. It's super cooling. I feel like it depuffs my skin, honestly, when I put things in the fridge. It just feels so, so good, especially in the hot summer weather. This will be a godsend. This is the Invisibobble Traceless Hair Ring. I actually have a few of these in my cabinets. I put it in my hair all the time. It doesn't crease my hair as much as a regular scrunchie does. If I have my hair curl, it will kink my curls, but I mean, I wash my hair every night anyway, so that's not a problem. These are a lot more gentle on your hair. It doesn't pull, it doesn't rip, it doesn't crease as much, and it's actually a lot more comfortable than you would think. This box comes with 6 scrunchies and it retails for $16. Yeah, it provides a strong grip yet leaves your hair traceless. And I love the colors. It's clear, and this nude color is just really cute and pretty and aesthetically pleasing. This next product is a cleansing oil, and this is from Skin & Co. Roma. This is their Truffle Therapy Cleansing Oil. I'm not a huge fan of cleansing oils. I feel like it's a little messy. If I'm wearing a lot of makeup and I feel like my skin is really dry, I will go in with a cleansing oil to remove all my makeup and just to give it a little bit of hydration. But I usually just take off my makeup with a makeup wipe and then going in with a cleanser. So I do double cleanse, but I know that a lot of people love to double cleanse with a cleansing oil. This box is like all about skincare. I think we've only gotten skincare products so far, which is fine. I'm a huge skincare fan, but this I'm so excited about. Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. You guys know I have a weak spot for face masks, especially sheet masks. So when I saw that this was an option, it wasn't even a second thought. So this comes with 5 rose gold masks. I want to see how much this retails for because I remember seeing it on Nordstrom and thinking, 5 masks for how much? $160. 5 masks for $160. And I don't think it's like a scam or a gimmick that they boost up the price to show, oh my gosh, this box is worth so much. Actually, even like the search for this on Nordstrom is actually $160. So that's just crazy to me. I don't think I would ever buy this set of masks for that amount of money unless I hit the lottery or something. So it's just really nice to discover these brands. It features 24 karat gold, brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. It better do all those things for $160. My goodness. So of course, I'm so excited to try these out. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge and use them tonight after I take off my makeup and shower. But this I thought was so cute and perfect for summer. This is from the brand Otome, and these are silicone wine glasses. It's a pair of 2 silicone wine glasses. I thought that was so cute. Look at these. They're silicone, they're squishy. You can fold them up, throw them in your beach bag or picnics, wherever you want to go. I'm sure my husband will love using these bright pink silicone wine glasses in public. But honey, you're stuck with me, and these are the things you're getting yourself into. So there you go. For $25, you have wine glasses that are unbreakable. So the last 2 products in my box is from the brand Sol de Janeiro, and you guys know they are famous for their Bum Bum cream. This is like a little baby version of it. So cute. This is supposed to be really tightening. And ironically enough, I tried out the Bum Bum cream for the very first time yesterday. I have received this product in a tiny baby tub from BoxyCharm, in the full-size jumbo tub from Ipsy at Generation Beauty, and now in my FabFitFun box. And guys, I don't know what it was last night. So last night, for some reason, I decided I wanted to try it out because I have so many containers of it, and it made me so nauseous that I literally had to get back in the shower to wash it off my body because I just could not stand the smell of this on my skin, which is so weird because it smells amazing. Like when I open up the tub, when I put it on my hands, when I'm filming my unboxings and I smell it and I sniff it, it smells so good. So I'm gonna try it out again in like a week or 2. I gotta give my stomach a rest because right now it's a little bit traumatic. But yeah, so ironically, I received 2 products of it in this FabFitFun box. The other products from them is their Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Yeah, it smells just like the cream, which smells so good to me. Like I could sit here and smell this all day. Maybe it was just something from last night, but I am hesitant to try this out, but I will try it out. I do love the scent of it, so I'm hoping it was just like a one-off kind of a situation. But guys, that was everything that was in this season's FabFitFun box, for me at least. I am paying for these boxes with my own money, and I would still highly recommend you picking up FabFitFun. If you're like in the search for a fun subscription box, a birthday present, a Christmas present, it's just so much fun. It's like Christmas every 3 months. You get fun new products to look at, to try out, like fun little goodies. Like I would never have bought this if I saw this out somewhere. Like what am I gonna do with this? But it's just fun to have and get in these types of boxes. So I'm excited. I'm gonna put everything away in my shower and try it out because it was all basically skincare stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're subscribed to FabFitFun, let me know what you got in this season's box. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.